are the today. My school name Madhyamik Vidyalaya Chinchwad. My class teacher Chauhan sir. My favorite subject is the English. My favorite sir is the Bagle sir. My favorite flower is the rose. My favorite color is the pink. My father named Sanjay Hiraman Bagul. My father is the farmer. My mother named Asha Sanjay Bagul. My mother is the farmer worker. My favorite scientist is the APJ Abdul Kalam.